In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps over here. Now scroll down again to click on Cloned App and click on this plus next to any available app from the list that you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on bin icon right next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting OK and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!